All right, let's take a look in the old screwdriver drawer. Let's see what we got here. That's old school Craftsman flathead. Look at that, the handle's turning yellow and everything. That one's been around a while. I like that one. Here's a more modern version of the flathead. Pretty normal stuff. And then we got the flathead stubby. Can't go wrong with the stubby. Unless you need a longer screwdriver. Yeah, it comes in handy. All right, the 6-in-1, you know the drill. Take the barrel out, flip it over, flip the ends out. You've got a couple different sizes of Phillips, a couple different sizes of flatheads. Of course, I have 2 of those. And here we go, a standard Phillips. This is the Stanley version. Got the little stubby also here. Husky. Boy, it comes in handy, If you need to really put some bite on something, or you don't have a lot of grip, that comes in handy. And then the chisel. It's not really a screwdriver, but it's in this drawer. That tip's all boogered up. Not sure what I did there, but I think I messed that one up. All right, chainsaw tool here. You got the flathead end to adjust the slack on the chain, and then the other end you can take the guard off to get to the chain. Oh, here's a punch. This is one of those spring-loaded ones. These are really handy when you need to make something here. You just push really hard and pop. It leaves a little mark so you know where to drill or whatever it is you might be working on. And then here you got the blade. It's a razor blade, retractable. Well, it's not really retractable. It's more like a pocket knife. It's pretty cool. I enjoy that. It's good and sharp, compact. Anyway, that's look in my screwdriver drawer. Thanks for watching, and we'll check something else out soon.